Let me invite you to a study of the interaction of science and Christianity. I'm Dr. Drew Crain, and I'm an enthusiastic biologist and a devoted Christian. While I've published numerous scientific journal articles and even co-edited one book with evolution in the title, I also lead Bible study every week in my local church. Basically, I see beauty and truth in both my Christian faith and in science. And I hope that you'll join me on a 5-session study to explore the many ways that science and Christianity intersect. I've studied this topic for a few decades now, and I realize the way that most people view science and faith is not the way that scholars perceive these areas. So throughout this study guide, I present the ideas of devout Christians and preeminent scientists and how they view the interaction. The thesis of this series may come as a surprise to some. Simply stated, the conflict that many believe exists is a false perception. That said, some in our society think Christian faith is outdated. And perhaps as troubling, many Christians today believe that scientific insights cannot be trusted. However, as we'll see, scientists and theologians alike do not share this view. So I invite you to join me on a journey to examine this intriguing topic. First, we'll look at the history of the interaction of science and Christianity, and then we'll go into the contemporary views of creation, evolution, and conservation. In the final session, we'll examine the future, looking at the topic of transhumanism, and also consider the future of these two ways of knowing. So I hope you will join me in examining the interaction of science and our faith. This is going to be enlightening and fun.